Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change gender preferences on Bumble. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed Bumble in my mobile device. In case you have not installed it, do install it and log into your account right now. Well, here's Bumble. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. Now let's look at how to change the gender preferences. At the top right, on the very rightmost section, you will find a button like this. Right next to the undo button, simply click on it. And then this will open up. Now from here, you will see some options in basic filters. Do note that you can also go to advanced filters as well. But right now, let's simply focus on this who you want to date section. Well, there are these four options like I'm open to dating everyone, men, women, non-binary people and such. Choose whichever one you wish. Do note that you can select multiple as well. And once everything's okay, simply hit on apply. Well guys, that's it. That's how you change gender preferences on Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.